Hey everyone, my name is Colin. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I sincerely appreciate it. Today's video is going to be a super exciting video because I'm going to be walking you through a very fun visualization exercise that will help you get a call from your specific person. So I'm super duper excited for you because after this technique, after this exercise that I've walked you through, you're going to get some sort of contact from your SP. And I'm so freaking excited for you because I want the results for you because you deserve everything in this world. And I'm here to help you out. So I'm super excited. This visualization exercise is extremely powerful. I really recommend you doing it before bedtime. But if you have 2 or 3 minutes to spare throughout the day, you can totally do that. Additionally, please do not listen to this visualization exercise while operating a motorized vehicle because I do not want you getting hurt by watching one of my videos. Before we jump right into this visualization exercise, I do have 2 free gifts for y'all if you are interested. So I have a manifestation cheat sheet guide available that'll be highlighting 34 of my favorite tips and tricks about manifestation, and I absolutely love all these techniques and they will garner really incredible results for you almost instantaneously, very quickly. So if you're interested, click the link down below. And I also have an exclusive Manifest Your SP meditation audio. This is not on YouTube at all, so if you're interested in getting that exclusive meditation from me, just click the link down below. And without further ado, let's jump right into this exercise. Find a quiet and peaceful place for yourself where you'll be undisturbed the next 2 to 3 minutes. Once you're in your quiet space and feel the excitement of knowing your specific person will call you very soon after this exercise, take a deep breath in through the nose, exhale slowly through the mouth. Close your eyes gently as you take another deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. One final deep breath, feeling all tensions melt away. Now, with your eyes closed and in this relaxed state, think of something you're grateful for in your life right now. It doesn't have to be related to your specific person. It can be anything: a friend, a pet, a family member, a hobby, your work, your coworkers, the sunshine, nature, or even simply the ability to breathe. Visualize what you're grateful for and say, "Thank you, thank you, thank you." Remember that some people don't have the same blessings, so be thankful that these are part of your life. Take one more deep breath in and out. Are you feeling calm, relaxed, and grateful? Hold on to this feeling as it's the key to instant manifestation. Now, in this relaxed state, you suddenly hear the sound of your phone ringing. It's your specific person calling you. As you imagine this, remain calm, relaxed, and grateful. Don't let anxiety or nervousness creep in. You knew this would happen. You pick up the phone and answer it. It's your specific person on the other end saying exactly what you want to hear. It can be words like, "I miss you," "I love you," "Can't stop thinking about you," "I am absolutely obsessed with you." Can we grab dinner sometime? I need you in my life. Or any heartfelt message you desire. Play around with this scenario in your mind. What do you want them to say? As they speak, maintain your calm, relaxed, and grateful demeanor. The relaxing music will continue to play as you engage in this phone call with your specific person. What are they saying to you? What are you saying back? Immerse yourself in the conversation for the next few minutes. When you're ready to conclude, make plans to see your specific person or obtain a commitment from them. Say your final words and goodbyes. Now, take one more deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Gently open your eyes and feel the calm relaxation and gratitude that fills you. Okay, so what do you think about this visualization exercise? Don't you feel absolutely awesome? You feel very warm, almost like have this delicious feeling inside of you. You feel super happy, excited, and just yourself. You just feel absolutely amazing. I'm super, super excited for you. And that feeling of relaxation and gratitude and that happiness, that is the key to instant manifestation, where you're just free from all resistance on all negative emotions and limiting beliefs. Now that we've concluded the visualization exercise, I want you to go out and have fun and just free yourself from expectations. Go about your day without any expectations. Do something fun that's gonna help you keep up with that relaxed, happy state that you're in right now. And when you are doing that, don't think about your SP, just think about having fun. And when you do that, your SP will be calling you, will be contacting you, and they're going to reach out to you. So I'm really, really excited. If this exercise isn't working for you and you're not getting the results you want, free yourself and release any limiting beliefs about yourself or any negative emotions or fear or self-doubt, and then return to the visualization exercise, and it's going to work out for you. And yeah, like I said in the beginning of the video, that you can return to this video as many times as you want. Whatever you want to desire from your SP, you can always get it from this visualization exercise. So always return back to this as many times as you wish, and to also kind of upkeep that state of the wish fulfilled. as well as I really recommend that you do this before bedtime, but if you have 2 or 3 minutes to spare throughout the day, you can do it then. Just don't do it while you're operating a motorized vehicle. I sincerely appreciate it. I don't want you getting hurt. Thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. Let me know in the comment section down below what they are saying to you on the phone. I want to hear what they're saying to you. I really appreciate that. Also, follow me on my social medias, my Instagram, my TikTok, my Facebook, and subscribe to the channel. They'll all be linked in the description box down below. And just a reminder that I do have those 2 free gifts for you, and they'll also be linked down below as well. And I'll see everyone in the next video. Bye!